Right here is a Chevy 1500. This is the wire distribution block above the battery. This right here folds over. He just took the top part off. Where is that at? This is how that goes.
Cover, and then you gotta flip it up.
Yeah, you flip it up, and this comes from here. You undo this.
Yeah, that was the first part.
Tell you what, for those of you people that steal batteries, good luck with this one. This one's a job.
That changed. You gotta bring the sawzall.
Yeah, I tell you what, that is absolutely a good idea for like plow hookup, as you already did. I mean, right here.
So this just kind of sits up there.
That is crazy.
So,
I've never seen nothing like it.
When I take these off, I should be able to lift this up.
Okay, we're gonna see. I hope. Holy cow.
We're gonna find out.
That is way different. I've seen a lot of crazy stuff. That's definitely a unique piece right there. Oh my goodness. And it's a regular battery, because look, right here's the battery. There it is. Right here. Take that right off there. She's brand new. It's a H7. That's what I got two of in my truck. 800 cold cranking amps. That's a good one.
I actually got that Walmart because it was the best warranty and best price anywhere.
Really?
Yeah.
What'd you pay?
Delivered $200.
200 bucks delivered from Walmart.
They dropped it off for me.
Yeah.
I didn't even have to go in the store.
He said you didn't even have to go in the store. They dropped it off right there. Ever start. 800 cold cranking amps. Brand new battery. And he started it up, he drove it over here, but he's gonna be running the plow this year for the first time. He set it up last year and we didn't.
First time?
Yeah, and it didn't snow. Last year he got to snow like, what, plow once, twice?
3 times.
3 times. And look at this plow package, everybody. Let me tell you, this is a nice system. So between me and him, we're gonna get it done. That's what we're gonna do. That's him right there. And that's me over there. We got this area figured out. And right there is the Pennsylvania State Police Barracks, my neighbor. Back to this video. This right here looks like it's going to be definitely interesting. Man, it makes it nice when you got a helper. He's the one doing it. He's the owner of the truck. What I mean by helper is like, I feel like I have a helper because somebody else is doing it. He's like, yeah, okay. Man. Now, does that got enough room to pull over and slide out? It just looks tight.
I put this on here for the plow.
You might have to take...
This normally wouldn't be here.
Yeah, you might have
Wire
to...
attached to it, but I was just trying to get it ready.
But even that looks like it still might be, like, you know what I mean?
It's like a tree.
Yeah. Let me see this.
I've never had this off. There we go. See?
Well, now, this is a learning experience. Thank goodness this is the calm before the storm.
I'm thinking this bracket's got to come out.
I bet you it does, because it goes down beside it. And it gives you room to flip it up. And check this out, everybody. I just wanted to point out a few things. He lives in the north, up here. And I tell you what, I am very impressed with how nice everything is kept. Yeah, the bottom part's starting to give you some shits and giggles. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna preserve this before we put it back. We'll hit it with a wire wheel and we'll throw some paint on there, let her dry and put her back. That's from the battery itself. Because otherwise...
Yeah, that's the bad. That's the
Yeah,
battery hold down.
Yeah, that's pretty good there. But this, we could prep this real quick before you put it back. Otherwise, you'll be buying one of them within about 2 years or so.
The tray though, it's clean.
Tray's clean.
Can I get it out?
We'll see. You might need my help. I might have to set this down.
I'm probably gonna have to disconnect these two. This one and this. Maybe unplug.
Yeah, because otherwise, yeah, it's crazy. Well, I tell you what, everybody, if you're tired of getting your batteries stolen, buy one of these. You won't have to worry about that ever
You need
again.
a ladder just to get to it.
Yeah, you need a ladder just to get to it. So I'm gonna tell you, if you're really tired of getting your batteries stolen, if you live in Detroit or somewhere like that, buy a Chevy, what is it, Silverado? A zr71 package, okay, 2,500. He's got the right package for that plow.
It's a good plow truck. Okay,
Yeah.
now I got some flexibility here.
That is crazy. Now, was the battery feeling loose otherwise, or you really ain't got to it yet?
That battery ain't going nowhere. All right.
Wow.
I should be able to. Oh, of course, someone removed the handle from this battery. This says GM, so this has got to be original.
No way. If this is original, that is crazy, because the truck is literally a 15. That would mean this battery's 9 years old.
Yeah.
Hard to believe.
Now, how the hell do I get this out without the handle?
Almost looks like you might have to get this a
No.
little bit. Does it
Don't
look
tell
like a
me.
squeeze?
Don't
I
tell
hate
me
to hear that.
man.
It don't look like it fit.
Shit.
Unless you can go like this, look. The front first.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
You got that room.
We might have to go on YouTube and watch a video.
Yeah. I thought this was gonna be the video. Oh man. That don't make no sense. Well, like I said, everybody, this is no joke. You will not have to worry about somebody just taking your battery. And if they do, you could probably know the truck's probably going to be totaled, because they're going to destroy your wiring harness to your truck, because they don't care about that. They just want the battery. We're going to look at our new obstacle. Until then, we'll come back at part 2.